Hello guys, I just bought my fans jerseys from the minejerseys.vip, and I am from Hong Kong, so my accent may be quite hard to listen. I'm so sorry about that. Okay, let's see. This is the dual fans jersey, and it paired with a Nike plastic bag, and there is a barcode on it, and beside the SF Express. Yeah, the transportation company is from SF Express. And then I will just open it. And this video is just recorded by my mobile phone, so the resolution may be a little bit low, so I'm so sorry about that. And let's see. Okay, the number is quite good, the font size and the font style, and then you can see and I bought a M size. And then at the right bottom you can see the Nike logo, and at the back side Wood, the name on it. Am I pronouncing it right? Is this Wood or I forgot? And then number 9. And you can see the tag on it, M size. And it is on France, or I don't know, is this France? French, sorry, French. It is in French. Yeah, that's it. This is from the minejerseys.vip, and you can see my referral link below the video, and you can just click it, and then you can, I think it have $5 US or $1 US discount. I think it is $5 US. Okay, thank you. This is my first unbox video, so I hope you will like it and will help you to decide will you buy a jersey from the minejerseys.vip. Thank you.